Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at Google Forms and how to make sure users receive the form when you want to return it to them, also known as releasing the score. So let's go ahead and a couple things to look at. So I have a form up and ready to go. You want to go into the settings gear, then a couple things. You want to make sure you collect their email addresses. That's important. Then you can go ahead down in here and those options are up to you. The other one is if it's going to be a quiz, make sure to make it a quiz. Something just to review, lock mode on Chromebooks only worked on district managed Chromebooks. Also this one in here, do you want to release it immediately after or later after manual review? The manual review is good, especially for those open-ended questions or if you want to leave any kind of feedback. Down in here, you can see the information. And again, that is totally up to you. We're going to hit save and you're going to notice now that it's automatically collecting email addresses. So that's quite important. Couple quick things just as a reminder to go in for your answer key. Go ahead in here and you can make this worth as many points as you want. Just don't forget to select the correct answer and select done. Down in here, let's do the same thing again. We're going to select down in here. Now the answer key in this one, we're just going to make this worth the certain number of points because we are going to grade this manually. We'll just leave it like that. There's no real answer to put in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and send this, and I'm just going to copy the link, shorten the URL because it comes up, looks a little bit nicer, and I'm going to copy it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in as a sample student. So let's go ahead in. You can see that what is 2 plus 2, and then let's just go in and let's just say this person said Friday. I'm not going to put in a whole reason why, so I submitted that one. And let's do the same thing again with this this other student. And again, let's say they didn't get that one right, but they said Saturday, and then they gave some reasons why. So let's submit. Okay, so now we're going to go back in as the teacher here. So you can see I have 2 responses, so I can go ahead in here. If I want to see those responses, of course, I can create a spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, let's just open that up, a new sheet, and it will then open up. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. Down in here is a summary, the questions, and then by individual as well. So what we can do, and you can see by each question, you can add some feedback in there if you want to. So that's nice to be able to do. You can even go by individual, just as a quick reminder. So you can go ahead in here, see that this is graded correctly. If you want to add into individual feedback, I'm just going to put in that here, and I'm also going to go ahead in and let's just say that was worth 5 out of 5. You can see where it says release score. I'm not going to release it yet because I still want to go ahead in and I want to give this one here just to show you, add individual feedback. Okay, and let's give this one 5 out of 5 as well and select save. Now you can see where it's going to say release score. I just want to show you real quickly in here. This is what it's going to look like from on a sheet. But now I'm going to select release score. You can see it says score not released. So again, it shows them 5 out of 7 on that one, and this person has a 7 out of 7. When we release score, this is what it shows. Do you want it to all students or just this one? I'm going to release, send emails and release, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I have students side by side here. So it says score released, so they can go ahead in and they can see, if I make this a little bit larger here, you can see they got a 7 out of 7. If they like to view, they can go ahead and view it, and then they can see the correct answers that were put in there, as well as the feedback. And I'll go ahead in here and show you this one as well. Again, let's go ahead and let's just click here, and you'll see view, and then they can see right away. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.